Okay, welcome back to iSoft Original, and on today's lesson we're going to see how we can create a PDF reader on our own. You are tired of using Adobe Acrobat, Adobe blah 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 PDF reader. You are tired of using different PDF readers. You want to do your own, right? You want to create your own PDF reader. Yes, we are going to create it on this 8th chapter. You see, before we get started, make sure you have successfully installed Adobe Acrobat Pro DC, or let's say Adobe Acrobat on your computer, and that will do everything. Without installing this, please listen attentively. Without installing Adobe Acrobat, you can't do what I'm about to do. So go to the internet, download Adobe Acrobat, install on your computer, then close your Visual Studio and then open it again. After opening it, create a new project. Come to the tools, right click and choose items. Go to the COM component and you will definitely see Adobe PDF Reader here. Click on OK. As soon as you click on OK, it will apply changes and it will be added to your toolbox, right? So when I search for PDF, you see that it will just pop me Adobe PDF Reader, right? So I'll just drag and drop it here. Good. Then I extend this a little bit big, way big. Then I just extend this as well. Now I will add a button, right? A button which I will use for loading the PDF file. So on this button, let me quickly customize it a little bit, right? So I will just give it a shot by the font size, let me say 12, and then the back color I will choose black, and then the fore color I will choose white. Good. And then on the button 1, I will say that load PDF file. Good. So that is it. Now we are going to code it, because without the coding it won't work. So let's add one more thing which will help us to open a PDF file. So we're going to add an open file dialog, right? So let's double click this. But before we get started, we have something called filters. We're going to tell the open file dialog that as soon as we try to locate ourselves to a certain PDF file, it should show us only PDF files. So we are going to say that open file dialog 1.filter equals to, then you bring your two inverted commas. So in between these two inverted commas, you will say that PDF files, right? Then you bring your straight bar slash or whatever you would call it. Then you bring your star dot PDF. What this does is, when you are trying to open something, it won't open any other file except only PDF. That is how it works. So let's say that open file dialog 1 dot show dialog equals to let's use if statement for now. We will say if open file dialog 1 dot show dialog equals to dialog results dot okay, then something should happen, right? So from this section, when I click on start and then I open the project, you will see that when I click, the open file dialog is working. Now you can see that the filter is now only .pdf. Only PDF files will be read. So you can see that here is PDF file. When I click on this and then I click on open, it won't open for me, because I said if I click on open, what should happen next? Nothing is happening. Nothing happens. So I need to work on that. Okay, so what I need to do is so we're going to say that AX Acrobat PDF 1 dot src. We have something called the src. That is the directory where the PDF will be picking its source from. So let's say equals to open file dialog 1 dot file name, right? Okay, so this is the code of line. This is the code of line. Good. So as soon as I click on start, you will see that I can now open my PDF file, read it, and click on open, and it will just open for me. Right? You can print it, you can save it, you can do whatever you want to do with it, then it's gonna work perfectly fine for you. Okay, I hope this lesson will help you a lot to build your own PDF reader in so many ways. So until we meet again on our next lesson, have a nice day, and iSoft Original is out.